Positive affirmations are described by the Psychology Dictionary as brief phrases, repeated frequently, which are designed to encourage positive, happy feelings, thoughts, and attitudes. I am amazing. I am brave. I am creative. I am divine. I am enough. I am fabulous. I am grateful. I am healthy. I am intelligent. I am joyful. I am kind. I am loved. I am mindful. I am noble. I am optimistic. I am playful. I am quaint. I am respectful. I am strong. I am thoughtful. I am unique. I am vibrant. I am worthy. I am expressive. I am youthful. And I am zestful.
For more educational videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Arlene's YouTube channel. Bye-bye!